that was a nice ride. Hey y'all, hola. I am in this room again. My dresser is still not in here, but like I told you guys, I have this one is empty. This one is almost empty. I have one on the floor that I'm going through, and anything that could be hung up, like all of my jeans were nicely folded. Let me see if I can show you guys what it looked like when I packed it up. So it's like super neat in there. So it's like, it looks like this has like bodysuits and leggings, and it had a lot of my jeans, a couple two-piece outfits like this, and some linen outfits or what have you, and some silk outfits or what have you. So I am back at it. I ran out of hangers, and I want all of my hangers in my closet to either be black or white. So I got these for the first time. I used to have these when Aubrey was little, like the cute little baby ones. So they had these at Ross, super inexpensive. But today when I was in Walmart, they had on the sales, not in the sales section, but in the laundry area where your laundry baskets are, where all of your hangers would be, they had a box of 50 hangers for $5. 50 hangers for $5. It was on sale. Now, y'all normally know you get probably 18 hangers for $3, sometimes $4. So to get 50 hangers for $5, I grabbed 2 boxes because Aubrey was saying she needed hangers. I don't know what AJ needs or what have you. Plus his closet is not in here. He has a whole nother closet. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I literally had to throw on something that was clean, already hung up. I think I wore this in Hawaii actually. So this is what I threw on for work today. Nice and casual, this little 2-piece number. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. Just wanted to come on here and touch bases with y'all. I'm about to cook some dinner in a minute. Make some catfish and what am I making? Fried catfish, fried shrimp, a salad, and some French fries. That's what I'm gonna do. 3 hours. I was in that room for, I said 3 hours, probably like 2. Getting that stuff together. Yeah, because I think I watched a whole nother YouTube video and a half. So maybe like an hour and a half. Almost, well, they're eating their first. The salad I made though. Bring me some more fries. Salad. My salads with all the trimmings. Fire. Look at that fish. Crispy, crunchy piece of catfish. This one still got a little more crunch to go. Oh yeah. Let me let that oil get a little hot. Want more fries, so I'm about to make some more fries. Our little salad station over here, all the Chick-fil-A dressings. And do y'all like croutons on your salad, or do you guys prefer the crispy onions? I prefer the crispy onions. Of course, a lot of other people, like my daughter, prefers croutons. I like croutons, but the crispy onions on a salad, baby, listen. fire and desire. All right, y'all. So finish this dinner. Best French fries if you guys ever want like natural fries that taste like they're freshly cut. These are Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's fries. And I typically, if I know I'm making them, I buy them fresh. You can buy them and put them in your freezer, but they taste like you cut up a fresh potato. So good. So this is what's going on for dinner, honey. How's your dinner?
Amazing, thank you. You did another amazing job.
Thank you, baby. You asked me for some more French fries, so I got some going right now. Good morning. Hey y'all, hey. That's my thing. Hey y'all, hey. Don't, the braids are coming out. My husband wants to go for a morning. It's kind of almost afternoonish. We're gonna go to Huntington Beach and have us a day. So I'm about to throw these glasses on. And get ready to get out of here. I don't know, maybe I'll take you guys with me on today. See what we do. Who knows? He don't be with the camera in the face all the time. But I am here. I didn't accomplish what I was supposed to finish this weekend. Ooh, these walls are so white. I can't wait to put some artwork on them or some decorative stuff. But that's a whole nother situation. I'm just getting my water so that we can get ready to go. But I'm here as usual. What y'all been up to? Should I put my sports watch on? Oh, I smell good. Y'all know about that Gucci bamboo. It's an old school. It's an old school one. I threw that on today. And I'm about to go for a walk and enjoy some lunch. So yeah, let's go. I'm right here. All right, y'all. We are about to have us some lunch. I think we're going to Rockin' Baja Lobster. We haven't been here in a long time, and we kind of like this spot. I can go for some lobster bites, and then we're going to probably take a walk on the boardwalk, walk it out a little bit. Did you get the number so you can?
Oh, the number of the parking spot?
Yeah. Do you have to have a number? I don't think so. Or you just pay for the spot? Oh, okay. And put the ticket in the window? It's cold. Oh, it's cold. I know that. It's breezy. I think you're right. Yeah. They gotta go to the pay station and pay. My sister likes Sharkies. They got a Sharkies over here. She like going to Sharkies. But it's cold and I got on a sweater, a shirt under here. I don't know how these girls got these shorts on.
Oh, I got a sunburn while I was waiting for the game at the game.
Because it's breezy. It's a beautiful day. It's just a little windy. He wants to move the car, y'all. So I am standing in the spot. Here he comes. Came out real quick. The lobster bites and shrimp. They do them a little different now too. I think they jipping us. Thank you. Oh, that look different. Oh, that does look good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Dang, I'll come back to that. That's a big burrito. Yeah, this burger looks good. Back to me reading this story though. You want to rent a bike? Look at that one. That one is cool, the electric one. He wants to rent a bike and go bike riding. Oh, he's for real. Want an electric bike or?
Where you rent the bike at? All you want is fine. You let them know how much are they? Regular bikes can be $9 an hour. And we have a bunch of other stuff at different prices.
Okay, cool. Let's go see. I should have put that in the car, huh?
Yeah.
We can ride over there. Where to go? A bike riding. All I see is a bunch of... Where the bike's at? Oh, over there? Thank you. Was a nice ride.